What is happening, guys? Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. So a lot of people keep looking to buy a new gen AI laptop at a reasonable price point, right? Maybe for your office related workloads or day-to-day activities, or maybe you're a student and you're trying to learn AI related workloads or applications, right? At a reasonable budget price tag. No, I'm not talking about premium kind of models costing over ₹1,00,000 because not everybody has that kind of budget, right? Well, you people came to the right video. Today in my home, I got my hands on a brand new laptop. This is Acer's new Aspire 5 laptop, and I'm telling you, right, this one actually packs like interesting hardware, spec and features at a reasonable price point. So as I've told you, model is Aspire 5 and comes with like a 14 inches WUXGA resolution, basically 1920 by 1200 IPS panel on board, and pair that with like Intel's Core Ultra 5 processor, 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM is also there, 512 GB PCI Gen 4 SSD, and plenty of other interesting spec and features. So guys, I'm like super excited to unbox this laptop and share my experience and talk about the overall performance and talk about all of its features in this video, guys. So make sure to watch it till the end. On that note, definitely make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, guys. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our brand new Aspire 5 laptop came in this sort of packaging. There's nothing much mentioned on the packaging, very simple looking box. You just have the Acer branding and some details about the model mentioned at the backside. As I've told you, model is Aspire 5 and I'll leave the model number details on the screen over here. And quickly unboxing the package, we get our brand new laptop neatly packed like this, and along with that you're also getting some paper. Just make sure to read that if you got time, and you're getting a 65 watt power adapter along with a mains cord for the adapter, and that's it. These are all the items you got in the package. So that was our quick unboxing part. Let me actually give you a closer look at the laptop, and first of all talk about the whole design and build quality part. There you go, boys, our very first hands-on and initial impressions at Acer's Aspire 5 laptop. It's a very clean and modern looking laptop, guys. Comes in this beautiful silver finish, and there is nothing on the top lid. You just have a chrome finished Acer logo at the center. A lot of people definitely appreciate that. No flashy stuff, nothing, very minimal and modern looking design. Look at the profile as well. Acer's Aspire 5 has a slim and compact design. The whole thickness of this laptop, I believe, is roughly only around like 17.5 mm, guys, and the weight is also pretty manageable. It hardly weighs around like 1.2 kgs, so it is super portable and travel friendly. You can easily throw it in your backpack and easily take it around anywhere, not an issue at all. And coming to the build quality of the laptop is also pretty good. Definitely feels quite solid and durable. Also, I do have to mention the top A cover on the laptop is made of metal, so definitely adds a bit of premium touch to the overall feel. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a complete walk around and show you all the available IO connectivity ports on the body. Starting off from the left profile, here you're getting a Kensington lock. A USB-C port is also there that also doubles up as your port for charging, a tiny status LED indicator for battery charging, and followed by a full-size HDMI port is there. A USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port is also available, and that is pretty much it on the left profile. Going to the other side, here you've got some more ports which include a micro SD card slot. So yes, you can easily expand the storage using a micro SD, and you're also getting a 3.5mm audio jack. Two more USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports are available, and that's it. These are all the available connectivity ports. Plenty of ports, guys, will easily get your day-to-day sort of requirements covered. And here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. You're getting plenty of cutouts at the center, basically for air circulation to keep the laptop running cool, rubber foot pads on all the corners, and some details about the model detail and all of that. And you see these tiny cutouts on the lower left and right profile. These are your speakers. The laptop comes with built-in stereo speakers on board. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up the laptop and show you the interiors as well. Ta-ta! Here's how the Aspire 5 looks like. I really like the overall silver and matte black combination color scheme. Definitely looks nice and classy. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention is the Aspire 5 comes with like full-on 180-degree hinge design. So especially if you're using it for like day-to-day office activities or you give a lot of presentations, right, this could be super useful feature. Let's start off from the upper half section. Here you're getting a 14 inches WUXGA resolution, basically 1920 by 1200 IPS level display. Look at the bezels as well. Bezels are surprisingly quite slim considering the price point. You're getting slim bezels not only on the sides but even on the top profile as well. On the bottom you do have a little bit of chin with the Acer logo. Now going to the top side, here you can check out that the laptop comes with a full HD webcam and also has a privacy manual e-shutter as well. Definitely appreciate that. So that's it about the upper half section. Coming to the lower half section, let me also talk about the keyboard and the touchpad. On board, you're getting a white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is decent. I've been using the laptop for the last couple of days, right? I had a very comfortable experience. Quality of the keys, keycaps, everything is nice. Even the key travel was also like satisfactory. On the overall, I had a comfortable experience typing on this keyboard. And not to forget, you do have like white LED backlighting, right? You can easily adjust the brightness as well on the go using the function key. And talking about the touchpad, you're getting a decent sized touchpad. Quality of the touchpad is also nice. Easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures. I didn't face any sorts of dead zones anywhere. And quality of the integrated buttons is also good. So keeping the nitty gritty stuff aside, let's actually get to the main aspects of the laptop and start off with the overall display quality and built-in speakers performance. First of all, let me tell you about the display spec and panel. On board, this laptop comes with a 14 inches WXG resolution, which is around 1920 by 1200 resolution, guys, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, IPS level display. There is definitely good amount of detail, guys. Everything looks crisp and clear. Text is also very easily readable, not an issue at all. Contrast ratio is also nice. Black levels are also decent, and since this is an IPS panel, overall color quality, color reproduction are also decent for this price point. Now I really wish the panel had support for like 100% sRGB color gamut range, but again, considering the price point, I think this is quite acceptable. See, for your day-to-day sort of activities, or maybe like office related works, or maybe education purpose, it is more than enough. You won't have any sort of complaints. Even if you want to use it for entertainment purpose, maybe binge watching movies, dramas or something like that, right? It is more than sufficient, guys. You'll be like quite happy and satisfied. Now talking about the viewing angles are excellent. Again, it's an IPS panel, so picture looks the same no matter from which direction or angle you're viewing. And coming to the brightness also like decent and sufficient, guys. And I had no issues checking out the display in most of the situations. And talking about the speakers, I've already told you, right? You're getting like built-in stereo speakers over here, and overall audio performance also nice. The mids felt crisp and clear. Dialogues were also like easily understandable. Wish it had slightly more audio output, guys, but apart from that, everything else was fine. I know this is the part you people have been waiting for, right? How's the overall performance of this laptop? First of all, let me tell you about the spec and hardware you're getting over here. Acer's Aspire 5 is powered by Intel's Core Ultra series platform, guys. Our particular variant is powered by Intel Core Ultra 5 125H processor, which is a 14-core 18-thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 4.5 GHz. Now, this is definitely based on Intel's performance hybrid architecture, featuring P cores, E cores, and also LPE cores. On board, you're getting 4 P cores, 8 E cores, and 2 LPE cores. So basically, P core stands for performance cores and E core stands for efficiency cores, and they automatically assign tasks depending on the type of scenario or what sort of application or work you're doing. And main thing is, at the beginning only I've told you, right, the laptop also comes with like built-in NPU, guys, Intel AI Boost, and is capable of offering up to like 11 tops of AI performance. So in case if you're like a student and you're working on AI related workloads, applications, or maybe you're learning more about this field, right, this onboard NPU could definitely help you with your work. If you ask about the memory, on board you're getting 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and pair that with 512 GB of PCI Gen 4 SSD. Yes, the storage is also upgradable, guys. You can easily expand the storage up to 1 TB. So let me share you my experience with the overall laptop's performance. As I've told you, I've been using this laptop for the last couple of days as my daily driver and have been running like variety of applications and workloads. I've been running like multiple edge tabs at the same time and also doing a bit of office related works. Parallelly, I also tried to do some Word document and text editing, and not to miss out a little bit of Photoshop creative applications as well. And overall performance has been like quite satisfactory. Obviously, you're getting Intel's Core Ultra 5 125H, right? So there's nothing less you can expect over here. And yes, you can even do a bit of basic 1080p video editing also over here, not an issue at all. Now coming to gaming, see, first of all, let me tell you, this is not a gaming oriented laptop, but that doesn't mean you cannot play games. Yes, you can do a bit of casual gaming over here. On board, you're getting Intel's integrated UHD graphics, and to give you like a small demo, right, I've tried playing GTA 5 at 720p resolution, yes, 1280 by 800 to be precise, and the graphics settings have been set to normal preset mode. And as you people can see, despite playing for around like 20-25 minutes also, we were getting like consistent results only. Roughly you can expect around like 60-65 FPS with these sort of settings at 1280 by 800 resolution. Just like this, you can easily play most of your casual or basic games, no hassles at all. And not to miss out, this is a Copilot AI PC and comes with a dedicated Copilot key as well in the keyboard. Copilot in Windows is an AI powered assistant that answers any sort of questions you throw at it, gets you info from across the web, has generative AI built in, full of creative results at the tip of your hand. You can easily access Copilot from the bottom right corner of your taskbar, or you can simply press Windows plus C shortcut as well. Or in my case, right, my laptop laptop has like a dedicated co-pilot key on the keyboard. Simply click that for one-click access. And as I've told you, you can basically ask any sort of question. Simply type in your text in this command box, hit the enter button, and that's it. It gets you your info. And let me tell you, Copilot is very smart. Not just basic info, it is powerful enough to generate like a full code for any sort of program you ask it. If you people have it, do try it out and share your experience as well in the comment section down below. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery life. The Aspire 5 comes with 53.8 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, and battery life was decently good for this price point. Again, battery life can totally depend on the individual and the kind of system profile they're using it. See, on a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 50-55%, and you're doing like day-to-day office activities, a little bit of web browsing, or maybe attending some Zoom meetings or a bit of photo editing, stuff like that, right? You can roughly expect around like 6.5 to 7 hours of battery life. But not to worry, it does come bundled with a 65 watt Type-C fast charger, right? So that will quickly top up the battery. And that is pretty much it, boys. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Acer's Aspire 5 laptop. It's a well-balanced laptop that is great for a day-to-day sort of scenario. Comes with a 14 inches WUXG resolution IPS display. Pair that with powerful hardware, Intel Core Ultra 5 125H. Not to miss out, it's also AI ready as it comes integrated with Intel's AI Boost NPU. So what do you people think? Definitely share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And talking about the pricing details, the Aspire 5 is going to be available for around like 89,999 rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.